Hello and welcome to the Savera. This is Tinkle before you. The Ministry of Education on Wednesday night announced the cancellation of the UGC NET June 2024 examination due to concerns about its integrity. The decision caused confusion among parents and students, so the ministry clarified in a social media post on X that only UGC NET exam has been cancelled. It comes in the backdrop of NEET FICASO. Candidates who had prepared for the NEET exams were taken aback when they learnt of the cancellation of UGC NET instead. The misunderstanding caused widespread of concern among parents and students alike. According to the statement by Ministry of Education, the cancellation was prompted by information from the Indian Cybercrime Coordination, the I4C, suggesting that possible compromises in the exam's integrity. The incident marks another instance of criticism faced by the National Testing Agency, the NTA, responsible for conducting major entrance exams nationwide. Earlier this month, NEET UG, the exam which is the gate to various MBBS, Ayush and BD courses, results were also criticized due to the anomalies, including 67 students being awarded the first rank nationwide. Following the cancellation, various political figures, including Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, criticized the government's handling of examinations and raised concerns about the future of students. Mallikarjun Kharge, in a Hindi post on social media X, questioned Narendra Modi's focus on discussions about exams, asking, "When will you conduct NEET Pariksha Pe Charcha?" He emphasized that the cancellation of UGC NET exam reflects on the determination and passion of lakhs of students who appeared for the same. Well, reacting to the announcement, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra expressed her concerns over what she described as the BJP government's negligence and corruption affecting the youth of India. She highlighted the cancellation of UGC NET exam following the earlier concern over the irregularities in the NEET exam. On the other hand, UGC Chairman M. Jagdish Kumar, not reacting to the cancellation of UGC NET, retweeted the Ministry of Education's post announcing the cancellation of UGC NET June 2024. In response to the controversy, the Ministry of Education also announced that the matter would be handed over to the Central Bureau of Investigation, the CBI, for the thorough investigation. The decision to cancel the exam was made to ensure transparency and maintain the sanctity of the exam process, and that a new exam date will be announced soon. Talking about NTA's loss of credibility, National President of the National Students Union of India, the NSUI, said that NTA should be immediately banned and action should be taken against them. Well, that's all for now. For more major updates, stay tuned to the Savera.